Which Minecraft player are you? Tag your friends down below. The racist. The racist. The racist. Steve.
Excuse me, what? M&S, what is this? Of you still boring?
Me's a freaky gal. Me's a very freaky gal.
Well, I like dick now.
Do I want to go for one pint with you this afternoon in the beer garden? Yes. Is there the potential for it to turn into an all-day drinking session and we crawl home at midnight? Also yes. Let's see what happens.
Call me an ambulance. Call me an ambulance.
You an ambulance.
Oh, Balderdash! You scoundrel! Apologies everyone for flying off the handle there. Oh! Why are you laughing? Suck your mum, man.
Just so weird. I'm not so weird, I'm Jack.
I present to you the definition of a bad bitch. Because it's so fucking bad, man. How is she oh! I aspire to be this like a what? You put my knickers on.
You know what I don't get, right? 20 chicken nugget share box. Who shares it?
You can't convince me that if this man had a normal neck, he wouldn't be just hitting 6 foot. He's 6'3" because of his neck. Like, what is it? It's a giraffe.